During the Second World War, the German military was constantly struggling to find ways to increase the firepower of individual soldiers. One of the most unique ways in which this was accomplished was the multi-purpose flare gun. Now, two variants were made, the Sturm Pistole and the Pistole Z. Now, there isn't that much information on these weapons out there to begin with, and a lot of it is conflicting, and most of this has to do with the actual names of the guns, but those are the two we're going to go with for this video. Now, these launchers were produced from the late 30s to the early 40s by two companies, Irma and Walther. And the first of these two types is the Pistole Z. Now, this is visually identical to the standard Pistole 34, which is just your standard flare launcher, with the only differences being a rifled barrel and the letter Z stamped on the frame of the gun. A variety of different ammunition was used in this launcher, including flares, smoke, and explosive rounds that detonated upon impact. Now, in case you're wondering why they didn't just use the standard Pistole 34 flares, it's because the barrel diameter was different due to the rifling in the Pistole Z, so they had to make special flares just for it. And the bodies of the shells used were pre-rifled and fit into the rifling that was inside the barrel of the gun. The second variant was the Sturm Pistole. This was simply a standard Pistole 34 that was fitted with a side-folding stock, barrel-mounted sight, and rifled barrel insert. This would allow any normal flare gun to be converted to grenade launching use. It seems like these changes were most likely made for ease of manufacture, as well as to allow heavier rounds to be launched. The explosive rounds provided with the earlier Pistole Z were quite small and had very little room for an explosive charge. Some of the ammunition that was introduced for use in the Sturm Pistole included a shape charge anti-tank grenade whose head is similar in appearance to that of a Panzerfaust. Here is a couple of photos showing soldiers using the anti-tank round in the Sturm Pistole. Standard infantry grenades could also be fired by screwing on a special extension to the grenade. It would be borderline impossible to fire these out of the Pistole Z or Kampfpistole without installing a special stock due to the intense recoil. Because of the Sturm Pistole's special rifled insert, ammunition used in the Pistole could be fired out of it as well. It appears that both designs were primarily used on the Eastern Front and in North Africa, but I have been unable to find any written accounts describing their actual use in the field. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and my attempted pronunciation of these German words did not sour it for you. But if you liked it, please consider giving it a like, and if you'd like to see more videos like this almost every week, consider subscribing as well. Thank you.